Assalamu alaikum, welcome to back Learn and Grow with Ali. In this video we will learn comments in Python. This is the third lecture full course of Python. So imagine if I print the saga. This is the single line comment. If you want to ignore your code, you can put this code on comments. There are two type of comments: single line comments and multiple line comments. For example, if I print the code print saga and I want to ignore the second code, like I want to second code is not execute in your browser, in your VS Code. So how I can do this? So now I print this. There are two code is run, but I want to second is ignore. So I put this hashtag, that is comment. Interpreter do not execute your code in your runtime. So that is the commands. So this is the single line command. Print function is used to print name. So if you want to single line comment, you can put hashtag, then your code is comment, and your run times do not run your code, they execute as a comment means which code you do not want to run in your runtime VS Code. So now I'm talking about the multiple line commands. If you want to multiple line your code and you want to put in comments, you can use this. And for example, if I write subscribe my channel, print functional is used to print name here, and the second line, for example, second line I print subscribe my YouTube channel. That is good. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I want to these two lines is in comment, that in right now it is put in comments. So that is, this is a comment in your code. So that's this is not execute in your code. Interpreter not run these lines in your code, that is commands. So there are two type of commands. One is the single line commands and other is the multiple line commands. You can use single line commands hashtag. On the multiple line command, you can use this. So this is our Python command full lecture 3 in your Python full course. So I hope this video is very helpful for everyone who is watching my video. Inshallah, tomorrow I will make video on variables. So see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.